What? 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 And the world, it's not a plan. Hear me and say, no, man, a franchise, is choosing one. Hear me now? At the 10-star general. You know every time I represent, you know a Gaza I drop necessary equipment for, you know a load explodes and every time I sound the big thing them. Watch. Hear me and say Gaza people. Cause right now, this one here goes out, for the look of girl where I run up now the man in box and I talk or look of fuck and stupidness. Cause here I go on. If me never come represent tonight, I want to name 10 star. Respect my brethren. I want to name 10 star. You hear what I say? So here I go on now. You know I attack my thing different. You know I not deal with lollipop thing. You know a load explosion each and every time I drop necessary equipment. So here what I say? If that look a cradle girl there, I really lizard fat belly. Yo, nobody never see them at the appeal. See? Nobody never see them at the appeal. And everybody will know say when a murder take place and even the people them will get convict and them a try for appeal. You know the family are the family are the people them who die. You know them always have some form of letter for write to the court and them shit they will try to stop the people them appeal, right? And I tell the court them mind why them think this guy is supposed to not get no appeal and all of them shit there, right? And them should have even turn up at the appeal to see what go on because them people them claims they get murder. Right now in Gaza nation, I don't even know how I want to see it, but here me I say too, from lizard, them claim say lizard die until now Gaza nation. All now me not hear lizard family them come out, but no media, no Star, no Gleaner, no Observer. Them no come out pan no talk show host, them no come out pan no radio channel, them no come out pan no TV. Me no hear no bloggers or interview them no at all like that. So, I want to ask you, Gaza nation. Is it that lizard family them, Jane? No say lizard they somewhere over the world are either alright because the police system done pay him off already and pay him well and give him visa for cut out gone over some place in the world and hide because them police protection thing. Because right now, when I say that nobody can even say a lie, me I tell. Because right now, you can't prove it to me, you can't show me say lizard dead. And right now, Gaza people, I don't know if the family a lizard, if them they keep a get together or even try to keep a funeral theme because them say him dead. There's a lot of things where I don't know where I have a question, So let me tell you something, When the man tell a girl, say she not even pray, forget her thing tighten up, You know what I mean? That means her thing stretch out like elastic band. So actually no man no want it. So how the hell she forget data for dep on social media every day? Cause she said she not dep on social media every day, but Kartel dep on it. Kartel can't afford for dep on social media. But a girl like you with a done out cradle hole, you can't dep on social media because you don't have no money for putting no data no credit on your phone. So how you supposed to dep on social media? You have to have credit and them things if you can go up on social media. You never know that. You can't just run up on social media, so what you feel like? So let me tell you something, when you run up in the man comment box and go out and chatting, me as a man and the people them on YouTube don't know who do them thing there already, You know what I mean? Because we know how we do everything for try bring down the general, I want to see that can't work, Me don't know all when you not going to stop, When you see it come to the grand finale, because when you see the freedom the near. Yes, do what I deal with, when I try to come with all kind of local sites and criticism. Let me tell you something. Nobody never asks you no opinion. And let me tell you something. That one I said nobody not care about, Look how much people in the soon are bash, you know. I was going to wake up tomorrow and I go see that loud explosion here when I drop. Because I know I'm not fuck with it. When I sound the big thing them and I drop necessary equipment. Watch. So here what me I say. Gaza Nation, is it that lizard people them know say lizard not dead, right? Because here what me I say. I can't believe them blame this man here and say this man murder them people. And all no nobody from the family now come and say nothing at all on no social media network. That look unusual to me. You see what I deal with? So I'm go one conclusion me can draw when I see all of this happen. That mean lizard people them know which part him there. You see what I deal with? And let me tell you something. You see for that girl let me tell you something. Use a cradle. You see me? Go find something good and something constructive to deal with yourself. And let me tell you something. You see that boy there? Is a crutches face him have. Why you want to run in a man comment box where you see they are prison? And you claim you want to run in a comment box with argument. Go look a girl no man and get substitute and not an egg man. Look a girl and try get a children dog. What's wrong with you now? How long we tell you that already? And still act like you're a waste man. And that's why you know problem this. That's why you not go around and kill half the girl them, you know, my virgin. Because you're a waste man, you know. That's why I now go around and kill half the girl them, you know. Yo, watch this now, man. We no used to get the girl them bun all over these fucking ears, you know. We not bun up the girl them, you know. And when girls start bun, you know, want stop hide it. Cause a long time girl a give man bun and them never have no problem. Because I know what you do or the way how you do it. But girl now hide them thing there no more. So girl all a bun all a boy in front and face. And at that, you no can't take. If you know say, well then, you hear a jam time and lace up Nicky, you know. So you go chop off Nicky head and kill all Nicky pitney them. But watch. Because the time they near, you know the general, the 10-star one, and know Gaza Nation. Every time we come and sound the big thing them, we know a loud explosion. So once again, for that cradle girl there, and that that boy they wanna run in at the man comment box. The general say, watch.